Ready to expand your physical footprint and take control of your inventory across multiple sites. From your Shopify admin homepage, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Settings, which is represented by a gear icon. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see several options. Locate and click on the one labeled Locations. This is where you manage all your inventory points. Shopify starts you with one primary location. To add a new one, click the blue Add Location button at the top right of the screen. Now you'll fill in the details for your new store or warehouse. Start by giving the location a clear, recognizable name, like Downtown Store or West Coast Warehouse. Next, enter the complete physical address. This is crucial for calculating accurate shipping rates and for in-store pickup options if you offer them. The most critical step is configuring the fulfillment settings. Check the box to allow this location to fulfill online orders if it's a warehouse, or activate in-store pickup for a retail location. Double-check all the information you've entered for accuracy, and when you're ready, click the Save button to officially add this location to your Shopify account. Your new location is now live. You can manage its specific inventory levels, see its performance, and it will automatically appear as an option for your fulfillment workflows. By strategically adding and managing your locations, you streamline your entire operation, keeping inventory accurate and getting orders to customers faster.